What is up, guys? It's Fix and Famey here, and today we're doing a quick repair slash screen replacement on this iPhone 8. So yeah, guys, I have this iPhone 8 right here, and it obviously needs a new screen really badly. It is almost impossible to use, and yeah. So I have the new screen with the seal right here. Let's go ahead and let's get started. Let me turn this thing off. Alright, now that we got it off, let's go ahead and get started. Take out the bottom screws. Alright, there we go, and we have it open. Let's go ahead and let's get this screen off. And there we go, we have the old screen off. Let's go ahead and let's clean up the surround. Alright, we got the surround all taken care of. Let's go ahead and let's start transferring the old parts onto the new screen. Okay, now onto the home button. You have to be very careful with the home button because if you break it, you won't be able to fix it as it is paired to the motherboard. The only person who can fix it is if you pay Apple, which is very expensive. Alright, and there we go. We have the home button and the front ear speaker on. Let's go ahead and let's plug it into the phone. Alright, there we go. Let's go ahead and let's test it out. Alright, that's a good sign. Alright. So far, so good. I'll go ahead and set it up. Ooh, okay. I'll go ahead and set this the rest of the way up later. But yeah, everything does seem to work. So we'll go ahead and shut it off and we'll finish it up. Alright, we have our new seal right here. Alright, there we go. Give it a quick wipe down. Alright, make sure it starts up. Cool. Close it down. Get that crunch. Oh, not a very good crunch. Go ahead and throw the 2 bottom screws on. And we're done. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe if you're new. Also, go follow my Instagram. I'll have it up on the screen right now. So yeah guys, that's it. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.